I'm standing in the room that will be our next project, but before I get to that, I'd like to talk a little bit about the project we just finished, which was the baby's nursery. Now this project was a long one. It took almost 8 months because we kept running into problem after problem. This is what the room originally looked like. It looked okay, we thought we just needed to put some paint on it, but when we really dug deeper into it, the floorboards were cracked underneath that green rug. There was no support inside the sitting area. There was a curtain where the closet doors should be. So we pretty much had to take this down almost to the studs and build it back up again. So with that said,
let's take a look.
baby.